In this video, you will see an awesome tea for treating inflamed gallbladder. You certainly have heard someone talking about having gallstones or even needing to remove their gallbladder, right? It might be during a talk with your friend or a family member. The point is, this is a common health issue today. Almost no one thinks about the gallbladder, a small organ located at the right side of the body under the liver. It is responsible for storing the bile, a substance produced by the liver and that helps digest the fats of our diet. Poor functioning of the gallbladder may cause stones that make the organ so sick that, in most cases, the only solution is removing it through surgery. Gallstone, or cholelithiasis, is a disease that affects almost 10% of the population. When that happens, the gallstones block bile ducts, and bile ends up retained. In most cases, inflammation is caused by the buildup of fluids in the gallbladder. The symptoms of gallbladder inflammation, cholecystitis, are usually silent, especially in babies and elders. However, the most common are acute pain on the right side of the abdomen, belly bloating, dark urine, pale stools, and diarrhea. Nausea, frequent vomiting, fever around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and yellow eyes are also common. When the symptoms are more intense, high fever, abdominal distension, and leukocytosis, it is necessary to seek medical help immediately. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Gallstones happen because of a diet high in fats, simple carbs, and low in fiber. Other habits like the lack of physical activity, smoking, or prolonged use of birth control can also contribute to the disease. Did you know that family history also plays a role in the development of cholecystitis? Let's see a tea with anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce gallbladder inflammation and stimulate bile production. Write down the ingredients. Dandelion. It stimulates bile production, improving gallbladder functioning. Cordoncillo. It has diuretic action and antioxidants that help eliminate toxins from the liver and avoid water retention. Cat's claw. It works as an immunostimulant to the body, reducing inflammation and ulcers. Maetinis ilicifolia. It contains anti-inflammatory, analgesic, anti-ulcer, and laxative properties that aid in fighting abdominal pain, ulcer, gastritis, and heartburn. Chancropiedra. It avoids the formation of stones in the kidneys and helps expel them. 3 bay leaves. Rich in vitamins B6, B9, and C, magnesium, and potassium, it has diuretic, anti-inflammatory, digestive, and antioxidant action. Thyme. Its antibacterial and antispasmodic action helps reestablish gut flora. It improves gallbladder function and detoxifies the body. Oregano. It contributes to bile production, facilitating the digestion of fats. 34 ounces water. Directions. Add a handful of each herb, plus the bay leaves, to 34 ounces of boiling water. Close with the lid and let it infuse. Drink the tea 5 times a day in moderation. Although natural, this tea can be harmful in excess. It is also worth remembering that teas for gallstones should be taken with precaution. When stimulating bile production, big stones can block the bile ducts, causing more pain and inflammation. Only drink teas under medical supervision. Talk to your doctor before trying this tea. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.